What you hurt? Yeah, just get a little bink. There we go, there we go. It's a cold one today, boys. Mr. Brap's just out here in jeans and hoodie. I'm wrapped up. What the f is...
2 hours later.
The days are getting shorter. The nights are getting colder. Winter is coming for the supermoto riders. Guys, if you not got any tips for keeping your hands warm without having to wear bloody oven gloves, I can't hear myself think. I don't want to have to get the mitts out. I don't mind wearing them to... Huh? I don't know what... Who? Oh, yo man! Whoa! Some old school shit. It's cold today. Nearly there. Woo, that was balance point. That was it. What, you coming up faster? Yeah, just get a little bink. Oh. First, sit down to knee knocker. He's up. He's gassed. I think he's actually just unlocked them. That looks high. It looks like he's actually got it. I felt like I was gonna f***ing scrape. That must be so far back to scrape. Arm pump. Yeah, you look high. Like, fender's all the way back here.
I'm comfy as fuck.
Yeah.
I think I got from like, probably just a bit more than half the strip. And I'll just...
Yeah, I think that's probably what I saw. Unless you was coming this way. Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah.
Did you want to get reels?
I should run away to a better day. Like a bag, couple tickets, hopping on the plane. In a different country with a chapter, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same?
Hard to get my knee on the seat. That kept happening before. Ended up getting my leg on it. Let's do this. Which side? Let's hope he gets a oh sh hope he gets a good one for the camera. There we go. Oh, not again. For the camera. He's gonna be so annoyed about that. There we go. Oh, not again. For the camera. He's gonna be so annoyed about that, man. What you hurt? What you done?
Didn't touch the foot brake again. Bruh.
You had it as well.
Really now.
Do you wanna? Oh man. Oh, he's gonna be so pissed. Fuck. Yeah, I'll take that. What'd you hurt? Just sit down for a sec. What does it feel like? Does it feel like a dead leg? Because I didn't see the bike hit. I saw the bike hit the floor. I didn't see it hit you. Don't hate me for filming you on the floor. You won't thank me. I didn't want you to hate me for filming. Do you remember what happened when you landed?
Huh?
Do you remember what happened when you landed?
I just hit the floor, my leg, this whole leg took the impact. Good, it's just bruised, I think. I'm more annoyed that I let off the foot leg again. Slipped back and then my foot, because it was on it, like. Oh yeah, I just had a dead leg.
Thank f for that. I think the lever just rotated, like everything just wrapped around.
Fucking bike's taking a beating.
You got the right job, right tool for the job.
Oh, oh. Come on, 250.
Come on. She does this though, and then she fires back up.
2 hours later.
Are you steering?
No.
I can't get some seat. There you go, I got a good push now. When you ready? Yes! That smelt bad. Guys, please learn from this. I don't know how many crashes I've got to post. Get a bike suitable for the job and learn in a place where it's safe to practice. I know when you load up online and you see all these videos, it looks like everyone and their mum can wheelie. They really can't. Just seen a very small percentage of riders who have been doing it for years. Even Bowley is just made of something else. Just looks like you need to do some squats.
Knew you was different from the start, love. How you learn, they never taught love. You keep it peaceful and equal, I'm used to wars, love. Hard love, I'm used to trauma, used to drama. Gotta listen back.